Hello everybody, welcome back to another Gap Languages video. In this video we have a conversation. This conversation is between two people and one of them is wanting to travel to Afghanistan for the first time and he doesn't know much more about Afghanistan. He asks his friend for some advice and also for some suggestion what he has to do and what he doesn't have to do along the way. All right everybody, if you want to have these kind of lessons on our YouTube channel, you can definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button for more content like this. And if you want to study with one of our tutors, you can definitely check our website at www.gaplanguages.com. We also put the trial lessons link down in the description. You can also check that one out. Okay everybody, we are going to do the conversation. So what I'm gonna do is first, I'm going to read and also explain everything so you can understand the conversation clearly. All right, let's get started. So the first one is, as I said, this is between two people. So the first one says, Salam Michael John, چی حال احوال? چی حال احوال؟ خوب هستی؟ بخیر هستی؟ This is a very common greeting or expression that we Afghans tend to say when we are talking to our friends or close friends, best friends. So here first thing is Salam alaikum Michael John, chi hal ahwal. Like this is the equivalent of how's everything, chi hal ahwal. So it means how is everything going on. Khub hasti, are you good? Bakhair hasti is another way to say are you fine. And the other person says Salam Ahmad John, khub hastum, shukr khuda, tu chitor hasti? Bakhair hasti. So when somebody uses this one, so you can come and respond to like this. Salam Ahmad John, khub hastum, shukr khuda, tu chitor hasti? Bakhair hasti. Now here it says hi Ahmad, dear John, it means here dear. Dear Ahmad, khub hastum, I'm good, shukr khuda, thank God. Tu chitor hasti? What about you? Are you good? Bakhair hasti, it's again equivalent of are you good or are you fine. Then the other person says Alhamdulillah خوب هستم I'm good خبر شدم بخیر برای اولین بار به افغانستان بیایی. Now here Alhamdulillah means thank goodness. خوب هستم I'm good. خبر شدم it means I heard که بخیر it's like when you say بخیر, and what we mean by بخیر is like we are hoping for good, we are hoping something good comes out of a situation. بخیر برای اولین بار به افغانستان بیایی. For the first time you are coming to Afghanistan. بله درست است. Yeah, that's correct. خیلی هیجان زده هستم رفیق. خیلی هیجان زده هستم رفیق. My friend, I'm so excited. هیجان زده here it means excited. اما کم نگران هم هستم, but I'm a little nervous. نگران here means nervous. کم نگران هستم. I'm a little nervous. Okay, چرا نگران هستی رفیق؟ Why are you nervous my friend? افغانستان جای بسیار زیبا، مقبول و دیدنی است. افغانستان جای بسیار زیبا. Afghanistan is a beautiful place. و دیدنی است, and it's worth seeing. دیدنی is like it's worth seeing. میفهمم, so میفهمم it means or میفهمم. So میفهمم is the spoken way. In the written way is like میفهمم. So in spoken we say میفهمم. I know. So اما نمیفهمم که مردم افغانستان چه قسم فرهنگ دارد. But I don't know what kind of culture Afghan people have, or the Afghan people have. مثلا طریقه کالا پوشیدنشان، طریقه غذا خوردنشان، طریقه گپ زدنشان را هیچ نمیفهمم. So or نمیفهمم. Now here for example مثلا means for example طریقه کالا پوشیدنشان, the way they get dressed or the way they put on their clothes. Or it's like talking about attire, so what kind of attires they put on. I don't know about what kind of attires or dress they put on or clothing they put on. طریقه غذا خوردن, the way they eat. طریقه گپ زدنشان, or the way they talk. ایرا هیچ نمیفهمم. I don't know all about these things. So he's saying I don't know about the way they get dressed, the way they eat, the way they talk. I don't know anything about these. So Now then he says um, مطمئن هستم که از افغانستان خوشت میآید. مطمئن هستم از افغانستان خوشت میآید. So this means I am pretty sure. مطمئن است sure. I'm sure you'll like Afghanistan. از افغانستان خوشت میآید. مردم افغانستان مهمان نواز هستند. The people of Afghanistan are hospitable. So they are hospitable. هر جای بروی like هر جای بری. Like if you go everywhere با چای سبز و شیرینی از تو پذیرایی میکنن. So they treat you with green tea, sweets. Yeah, they treat you with green tea and also sweets. پذیرایی میکنن is like to welcome you. They welcome you with tea, sweets. Yeah. Then the another person says in alias or alias. This is great. alias it means this is great. کدام شهرها را برای ما پیشنهاد میکنی؟ کدام شهرها را به ما پیشنهاد میکنی؟ What cities are you going to suggest me? Like he's saying like, what cities are you going to suggest me to visit, to go? So then his friend says کابل، هرات و بامیان را باید حتما ببینی. So you should see کابل، هرات و این بامیان. کابل پایتخت افغانستان است. So پایتخت is capital. It is capital of Afghanistan و هر چیز در اونجا پیدا کرده میتونی. You can find anything there. هرات با آثار تاریخیش معروف است. And هرات is known for or famous for it's known for it is historical monuments. و بامیان طبیعت زیبا و مجسمه های تاریخی داره. And بامیان has beautiful nature and it has a lot of historical statues. Okay, now let's go to the next one. حتما میرم. I'll definitely go. درباره غذاها چی؟ What about the foods? شنیدم که مردم افغانستان قابلی پلو و منتوی خیلی خوشمزه آماده میکنن. I heard that the people of Afghanistan prepare good قابلی پلو and mantu is meat dumpling. They prepare delicious قابلی پلو and قابلی پلو it's rice. It's an Afghan dish. قابلی پلو منتوی خیلی خوشمزه آماده میکنن. They prepare delicious or tasty meat dumpling and قابلی پلو. دقیقاً. So دقیقاً so it means of course, definitely. دقیقاً قابلی پلو یکی از بهترین غذاهای افغانستان است. قابلی پلو is one of the most or best foods of Afghanistan. بهترین means best. منتو و بولانی را هم باید امتحان کنی. You should try mantu in bologna too. So حتما امتحان میکنم. I'll definitely try. در مورد کالاهای محلی چطور؟ What about the local dressings or clothings? میخوایم لباسهای سنتی یا محلی بپوشم. I want to put on a traditional and a local clothing. So he says بله. So yes, بهتر است یک لباس افغانی بخری. It is better. بهتر است it means it's better to buy in Afghan clothing. So پیران تنبان و اسکات بسیار زیبا و راحت است. So پیران تنبان و اسکات. So a vest in a پیران تنبان is an Afghan dress, Afghan clothing. So بسیار زیبا و راحت است. It's very beautiful and comfortable. فقط روز اول کوشش کن یا کوشش کن. Just the first day try پیش یک خیاط بری. So you go to a tailor و اندازه کالایت بتی and give your clothing's measurement. So they're going to measure and see what size you need for your clothes. میتونی کالای آمادن بگیری. You could also buy a prepared clothing or a cloth which is sewed already. اما من برات پیشنهاد میکنم. But I suggest for you که یک لباس افغانی فرمایش بده. So you should talk to a tailor or give it a order. So you can order your clothes. So they take the measurement of your clothing, what clothing you or what size you put on. So let's see. خیلی خوب، تشکر از معلومات دوست عزیز. Very good. Thanks for all the information my friend. آیا چیز دیگر هم هست که باید بدانم؟ Is there anything else that I should know? So as friends بله فقط کوشش کن کم در مورد رسم و فرهنگ مردم افغانستان کم بفهمی. So فقط کوشش کن just try to know a little about Afghan culture or in about Afghan people. کوشش کن احترام به رسوم و فرهنگ را رعایت کنی. Try to observe the Afghan culture and try to find a way to kind of put respect, to show respect. مثلا for example وقت وارد خانه میشی when you get into a house بوتایت بیرون بکش. Take off your shoes outside. Don't enter into a house with your shoes. Just take them off before you step into somebody's house. برشون سلام بده. Just give them سلام و با دست راست دست بده. And with right hand give you shake hand. بر خانم ها فقط سلام بده. Just say hi or salam to women. So you're not allowed to shake hands with women. Only with with your male friends. حتما این کارا میکنم. I'll definitely do this. بسیار هیجانی هستم. بخیر بیایم. I'm very excited to come. این همه زیبایی و فرهنگ رو از نزدیک تجربه کنم. To experience all these beautiful culture in person. As نزدیک means in person. Excuse me. من هم خیلی خوش میشم که تو را در اینجا ببینم. I'll also become happy or glad to see you here too. اگر سوال داشتی فقط به من مسیج بان. If you have a question just hit me up, okay, or just leave me a message. حتما. تشکر احمد جان. Thank you احمد جان. به زودی میبینم. I'll see you soon. خوش باشی. So be happy Michael جان. منتظرت هستیم. We are expecting you. Alright everybody, that is the end of the conversation between two people. So one of them is coming to Afghanistan for the first time. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you don't have any questions, if you have any questions, so you can definitely ask us in the comment section. Alright everybody, take care. Bye.